Welcome back, future millionaires. So you want to sign up for DoorDash and make some insane money on your first day? Maybe quit your job, buy a Lambo, and retire by next week? I got good news for you. You're in the right spot. I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up and to start rolling in that cash. Because obviously, food delivery is the fastest way to financial freedom. So let's get right into it. But before we do, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button, especially if you're trying to make money in this gig economy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first you want to visit the magical land of DoorDash.com or download the Dasher app. Click sign up and boom, you already halfway to making the life-changing money that made you click on this video. Enter your email, your phone number, and your location. That's right, folks. Just 3 simple steps stand between you and a luxurious career of delivering cold fries for customers who definitely will not tip, and they may be 5 to 10 miles away. You want to fill out your full name, your address, and your phone number. Now, it's just for verification, but look, it's faster that you do this now than sooner because look, you're going to be out there making base pay and you want to get to that as quickly as possible. You may even be able to earn an extra 75 cents for driving 10 miles. You may get a little bit of distance pay on some of them orders, so you want to sign up as quick as possible. You can deliver using a car, a scooter. Sometimes they even allow you to walk the order to the customer. So if you got you a 1998 Honda Civic that shakes every time you go over 40 miles per hour, congratulations. Because I got a car similar like that. Every time I even move the steering wheel a centimeter, that mug sound like it's about to cry. I mean, I hit the gas pedal, it sounds like a lawnmower. When I say you can literally drag that beater out of your garage, it's been sitting there for 20 years and use it for DoorDash, I mean that literally. You set, you good to go. You ain't got to worry about the price of gas. That $2.50 order is going to cover at least about 15 miles of your out of town trip that you're going to take on these orders. So you ain't even got to worry about that. You good to go. You need to make sure that you got your driver's license and your social security card ready to go, because DoorDash needs to make sure that you're not a criminal mastermind. They will be asking for your driver's license and your social security number. Background check usually takes a few days, but I've seen it happen instantaneously sometimes. Basically, if you download this app, into your information, sign up, you probably gonna be good to go by the next morning as far as delivering, and they do not play no games. I mean, they literally will onboard you at the drop of a dime. You know, you can go ahead, sit back and smile now because you finna start picking up these $3 McDonald's orders that take you about 30 minutes to complete, and you finna be one step closer to financial freedom. Now, before we get too far into this, brand new delivery endeavor, you want to make sure you got somewhere for your money to go. When you setting up this payment, I would apply for the DoorDash Crimson card. That way you have access to your earnings immediately. And if you go through the sign up process and go through all the prompts, I'm pretty sure at some point they prompt you to sign up for this Crimson card, because again, this is going to be the fastest way to access your earnings. DoorDash is known to keep your money if you get deactivated. So if you have the weekly payout option and for any reason you happen to have any disruption with your earnings, having the weekly payout means that DoorDash will keep your money and you will be lucky if they give it to you. So you want to make sure you signing up for that instant payout. Gas ain't free, and you can use the fast pay to cash out instantly when it's tied to your bank account, but there will be a fee attached with it, like if you use like an ATM or something like that. Depending on your market, DoorDash might send you a red card, and that's a special payment card for certain types of orders, like shopping orders and orders that need to be paid upon arriving at the location for the pickup. They're going to be giving you an ultra quality, highly premium insulated DoorDash bag, because nothing says professional and they may be good, they may be bad. But the thing is, now you have the opportunity to get out there and make that money, and you're one step closer. Once your account is active, download the Dasher app, log in, start accepting orders. Now here's where the real fun begins. Because guess what? Every order is a great order. There's no such thing as a bad order. A $2 order that takes you 8 miles away, except who needs gas money anyway? A $3 Walmart order with 50 items? No big deal. You didn't need that extra room in your trunk anyways. And of course, don't forget the legendary 0 tip, but it's only 15 miles away order, because let's be honest, you doing this for the love of the game, not the money. If we was doing this for the money, we'd have signed up for Uber Eats. But you ain't clicked on this video for Uber Eats. And that's it. You are officially a Dasher. A good one too. You've unlocked the ultimate gig where you make just enough money to cover gas, car maintenance, and the occasional Happy Meal from McDonald's. A few quick tips before we get up out of here. Always accept the low paying orders, long distance orders, because you love adventure. Drive Like gas is free.
What?
Because clearly DoorDash pays enough to cover the gas, so you might as well drive frivolously. And most importantly, never expect a tip.
Really?
Customers love testing your patience. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. If you've ever driven 10 miles for a $2 payout, I will see you in the next video, probably at a gas station refueling for my next